guys. I'm very glad because you are subscribing and you are sharing my tutorials for your friends, also be the friends of this channel. Thank you very much, guys, from Zimbabwe. Here is your boy DJ Angel Production from Mozambique. Today I have this tutorial. I created it yesterday and I decided to share with you the tips and ideas I did in this tutorial. So without talking too much, let us do as what we do always when I open my project here to share with you the tips. We do have the reed drums here. They are very simple for you to play also at your home if you are following with your computer. I always, when I do these types of beat, I like to use these reed drums. These reed drums is of all the projects. I always take all the project and remove the melodies and remain with the reed drum because I don't really like to waste my time because I have a lot of singer that come in my studio to sing. So that's why I do this. And after I do the reed drums, I had to draw the melodies here from NN Chichite, NN Zanove. It's very simple. After this melody, I had to create another melody here. It's very simple. Let us play both of them to see if they are coordinating. So after that, I had to play another melody here. Since I'm supposed to play it as if I were a band. These types of beat in Zimbabwe is mostly made with a lot of artists. They hold their guitar on their hands and they start playing at the concert or at shows. But I'm here alone with the mouse, with the computer. I'm playing it as if I were a band. So that's why when we're playing these types of beat, it's very important to make the coordination. One melody is singing, then the other is answering. So if you make this type of tricks, if you apply for your next beat, it will be very good. So let us hear this other melody which I played down here. So after that melody, I had to choose any subtractor, and I chose one of the presets which is Velo Bass to play this. It's very simple. After that, I played another melody here. As I said for you that I'm supposed to play it as if I were a band. These are traditional beats. They are mostly made there in Zimbabwe, so it's supposed to be played like that. They are not classic like they must have a lot of melodies in order to sound traditional, and the melodies also they must be coordinated in order to sound good. You see, those ones they are coordinating themselves, and these ones they are coordinating themselves. So let us hear how the bass is. The bass also is very simple. So thank you guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. If you like these types of videos, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and invite also your friends to see how we are dealing with our tutorials. So after that, I want to show this party. I always tell you that it's very important for you to draw these parts because there are other people, they don't want to hear what the singers are singing. They only want to dance, drinking. So draw this type of reed drums. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. If you like, subscribe, and also if you want for me to start from zero, doing the project without showing the projects that are already done, just tell me, just subscribe to my channel, that I'm here for that. I'm here to help you improve your skills. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for subscribing.